Andy, Johnny Camper here. Listen, I'm out on the PMT, but I'm going to give you a quick back story. 6 years ago, I was backpacking on Cumberland Island, Georgia, with a group. Tom Walker from Following Walker's World had bought me a Dyneema bag from Hilltop Packs. And somehow or another, Ben McMillan got wind of what he was doing. He was buying this little Dyneema bag for me. And anyway, Ben furnished me with a bear hang kit right here with my logo and everything. So I've had this 6 years now. He gave it to me on my 79th birthday, 6 years ago. Now, and it's been brutal. I've beat it up really bad, and you might can see right here. It's starting to give way right there because I've hit the tree so many times when I missed my thing. It's finally punched a hole there. But Andy, Metro on the Move, one of my hiking buddies, just completed the Appalachian Trail, but he had some idea that he wanted a nut sack, and he designed up something, and this is what they came up with. It's a bear hang thing, and actually it's a little bit bigger than the original one. And I know it takes more to make things little like this, takes more experience and technique to do it. This is a little bit bigger, and I'm glad he did, because since then not only do I add the cord, I have a dog bone, a big dog bone, a carabiner, and a small rock. Because on Cumberland Island there's no rocks. If you want to hang it, you're gonna fill it with sand. So I went ahead and bought one and upgraded my. Now I had to buy it. He didn't give me my 85th birthday one. I had to buy this one. But anyway, I really did appreciate being doing that for me, and Tom Walker. It was quite a surprise because I've got 2 extra ones, so I'm going over here and giving these away to 2 of my buddies. Okay. Now the first guy I want to give one to is Fred's on the Walkabout. It's actually his campsite, and I've camped with him on quite a few occasions. Fred, here's Andy's nut sack for you.
Oh, thank you. I need another nut sack.
Yeah, we all need another nut sack. He come up with a design, but that wasn't it. If you notice on there are peanuts and cashews and pistachios, whatever's on it. And of course, here's my other buddy, Tresmo. He gets Andy's nut sack.
Oh, sweet, yes.
Yeah, okay, so we all got Andy's nut sack. And here's the original nut sack right here. Okay, guys, that's it, and I hope they enjoy these bear hanging kits.
I actually tore a hole in my bear bag, Rock Hills Trail, so this is good.
Okay, worked out just right for you.
Perfect.